Yo, they call me one-stop truck. Yeah, I drive a truck, so what? I'm a bubba bumping up these docks. Watch the clock, rack up those stops. No time to stop. Good luck making 1 to 20 stops. Son, please, it all shipped by truck. Hang me up with all this talk. Go take a walk, you're all talk. It's a life of sitting up, so get up, buckle up, hammer down highway love. We all get trucked up. Nothing but white dashing lines coming at my mind all the time. Scanning eyes, I find diesel power beautiful as a flower. They say the key to a woman's heart, chocolate? Nah. Real men say truck it, not romantic. We roll on synthetic at the diner. Hey, we shift 9, 10, even 13 to these transmissions. Have you seen this Freightliner? This here's good and plenty. What's your handle, driver? Hey, it's a life of sitting up, so get up, buckle up, hammer down, highway love. We all get trucked up. All your stuff, groceries, cosmetics, or electronics, roll on these 18 rubber retreads, sucker. Before you can enjoy your supper, you earn weekly bucks, but son, it all rolls on trucks. Yeah, this song is for the life of long hours, at the pilot taking those showers. Log it out, brothers. A tough life busters don't realize. All you four-wheelers, check your rear views. I'm rolling up you old school. On the back end, ICC or DOT bar. No, not the place you go and drink, but will hit you like a wall if you don't think. 10-4, your tail just got the back door. Oh, yeah, it's a life of sitting up, so get up, buckle up, hammer down, highway love, we all get trucked up. DEF or diesel, not for hearing. Got some ATF, now that's for steering. VOL, LTL, bobtail, high hook, get out and look. Chicken lights, pigtail, fifth wheel, kingpin, motor in. It's a living. You're breathing, eating, and sleeping. Now you're trucking. Truck stick, I'm hitting it. Double drop, coffee shop. Hop to the eye, eating pancakes at 5. Oh, clock. I keep it locked up to the dock. No lizards on this lot. Another drive on this early morning rise. Gotta close by saying, I'm white. Cheddar with a pair of D's. Got dose. D's. Back to back. In the cheese. Rolling deep. I say, see ya. Keep it trucking, brothers.